business right now, and I fully expect at least 80% of the meal kit companies to go out of business in the next 12 to 18 months, primarily the direct-to-the-consumer players. You'll see 75+% of retailers launch meal kits this year, where both sales channels will be competing for the same consumer. So customer acquisition cost for subscription services direct to the consumer will go up, and people will continue their shopping experience at their normal grocers and be able to purchase meal kits in store.